muerto maños.
Rizzo Parizo! Yeah! Bad Rose!
Walking through Hollywood, doing all our shit. Stole into coffee, doing all the monkey shit. I suck that shit down till I get a brain freeze. See all your teachers, man, I think I got a scheme. That you bless you, thank you, never on our way. We go through all the doers in a gangster way. We go through all the doers in a gangster way. I don't finish my drink when I look in my cup. Fucking off the tip and got me jumping niggas up. Now we're off to the ATM, cause I got mad flam. Man, what you say? We go through our to-do list in a gangster way. We go through our to-do list in a gangster way.
Oh my god.
That's right, we go through to-do list in a gangster way. In a motherfucking gangster way. That's right, y'all better remember. She will kill your fucking family and not heal you.
Next on the list, we gotta use our fears. Pay a fucking visit cause I just got pit.
Hey yo, well, Buck, I know it's your number 3.
Every day you come around here and start with me. You know I'll put your hands if you get in the ass. Get you the fuck out of here and pop
Hey,
yeah.
what you trying to rush me?
Hit that shit.
We got more to do, so let's get it over with. Clap
Your hands, back it up, back it up. Clap your hands, back it up, back it up. Clap your hands, back it up, back it up. Clap your hands, back it up.
Everybody clap.
your hands, back it up, back it up. Clap your hands, back it up, back it up. Clap your hands, back it up, back it up. Clap your hands, back it up.
We're up to number 4.
Reflect your platform.
We got some shit today to do, I gotta say.
All we gon' do what to do is in a gangster way. We come up on caffeine in a gangster way.
We come with Angry Jackson in a gangster way. And don't be no in a gangster way.
We still do all this gayo in a gangster way. We go through our to-do list in a gangster way. In a gangster way. Go through our to-do list in a gangster way. In a gangster way. Go through our to-do list in a gangster way. In a gangster way. Go through our to-do list in a gangster way. In a gangster way. Go through our to-do list in a gangster way.